Rajya Sabha has been adjourned till 11:30 a.m. There's a lot of ruckus going on, and even the Lok Sabha has been adjourned. Of course, we have the GST report also. There's some more movements on that. So Shireen Bhan now joins us with all the details. Shireen, a lot happening in Delhi.
Well, yes, a lot is happening in Delhi, Anuj, but it's only fireworks in Parliament, not actual work. But as we've been reporting here on CNBC TV 18, the GST Select Panel report has been submitted to the Parliament, so it is now the property of the House. But as you just pointed out, Rajya Sabha has been adjourned as well. So it will now boil down to whether the government can get the Congress on board to try and pass the GST bills through. As far as the regional parties are concerned, as we've been reporting, major representation in the Rajya Sabha is from the TMC, the Trinamool Congress, and the Trinamool Congress is in favor of the GST bill. Other parties that are supporting the GST bill are the Biju Janata Dal, the Samajwadi Party, the JDU. So at this point in time, it really boils down to whether the Congress party will play ball in the Rajya Sabha with the government. On the modifications that the Select Panel has recommended, what we are given to understand is that the government is likely to accept one modification, which is a significant modification, and that basically is to deal with Clause 19, which essentially means that the centre will commit to compensating states for 5 years, and that has been the big breakthrough that the government has tried to arrive at. One of the other issues is, of course, the revenue neutral rate, as the panel has suggested that the revenue neutral rate should be on the lower side. In fact, the Congress party had suggested that 18% should actually be the revenue neutral rate, and that should be written into law. But as several members of the Select Panel have told us, that to put in a specified rate is not a good idea, because you need to be dynamic about these things. Separately, Arvind Subramanian, the Chief Economic Advisor, is heading a committee that's looking at the revenue neutral rate, and that committee should come out with its report in about 4 to 6 weeks, is what he had to say a few days ago. So at this point in time, this is really about politics now. Will the Congress play ball, and will the GST bill go through?
All right, Shireen.